Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. Today's video is going to be a project share. I joined into a group swap. It is the Pink Christmas swap hosted by Sandy. You can find her here on YouTube and Instagram as Sandy's Planner Shop and Craft. We were supposed to create a 7-inch wire bead candy cane, include the color pink in it, and an embellishment or a shaker piece, decorate 2 paper clips, a surprise, meaning that you can gift either socks, chocolate, whatever it is, just a surprise item. And then we had to include 10 die cuts, and this is due November 1st. And here is what I've created. This booklet here is using the tutorial that is from Craftpurge Tony. It's super easy and simple. I think I want to create more of these, but in like different themes like Halloween and all that stuff. I'm still working on Halloween, but I've been jumping around playing with Halloween and Christmas. So anyways, and we also had to include a dangle or a hanging piece element on the side, but here is what I've created on the front. So I just created some banner pieces, added the tulle snow piece, and then cut out ho ho ho. There's a big poinsettia on the back. I have a Santa Claus glittered up confetti piece, and then there is some more flowers on that little edge there. Then I've created a pink bow to add onto this, and then I added a snowflake right there, and I did stitch on all of the papers all around. I even stitched the binding piece, and then on the back I just have my Handmade with Love by Crafty Mama Panda, and then there's a cute little panda sticker, and I did stitch all around. I love this stitch. I call it the ziggity zigzag stitch. But yeah, and then here is the hanging element. I created a little like charm piece hanging element. So this piece here is actually from Paper Bow Lover. When she sent me an embellishment box, she included these, so I decided to add that for the color pink. I also added these he-she beads, and I added the, what is it, spacer bead. It looks like a little green sewing thread, like a bobbin or something. And then I added a bell. I created a snowman. He does not have a face or a scarf or anything like that. I just kept him simple. And then I added this piece here, which is a Walmart ornament. And then I created a bow tool and then glued that on there. And then last but not least, I don't think I've seen anyone create this yet. It is a wire wrapped candy bead. So it looks like that. I didn't have any like candy beads, so I thought this would be a good idea to do. And that's what I created for the hanging element. And then when we get inside, so here is what it looks like. Here is the candy cane. And this is just tied on there. But let me take this out so you guys can see the full candy cane. So here it is. I think it turned out super cute. I use all sorts of beads, pearls, gold, pink, even the spacer beads, and then this type of bead. I add a little green piece, little dangly wire bead here because it seemed empty, and then I added at the bottom a bell and a cute gold bow. So there is the hanging, I mean the 7-inch wire candy cane bead. I thought that turned out super cute. Here is my paper clips. This one I handmade as well. I glued it onto the paper clip, and it's just a simple pink bow. And then here I've created this one. It's like a banner piece with a little tiny bell. Then I just added a snow piece of ornament, candy cane, a banner piece, and then Noel greenery, and the super cute little deer. I thought that one turned out so cute. And as you can see, I stitched up all around each page. Oops, I think I'm gonna just leave that out. And then in this pocket right here, we were supposed to include 10 die cuts. Here is how I packaged them. I kept them out for this one because I wanted to show you guys what I included in there. But I stitched up this cello bag, which I got from Walmart. And then I individually packed them because they have their own pieces to go with them. So I thought it would be easier for them to have them all together. So that's how I did that. And then I just added a piece of ribbon and stapled that and stitched up the sides. So there's that. Let me just put this back so I don't forget it. Okay, so the next page, oh, before we go, yeah, here's what I've cut out. So these are words. We're supposed to have 10 die cuts. This one says Merry Christmas, this one says Holly Jolly, and then this one says Winter Wishes. We've got a deer and a skinny tall tree. I've cut out some bow, wreath, and then a gold snowflake. We have a small poinsettia with 2 leaf pieces. We have a cookie, Christmas cookie heart, Christmas Santa Claus cookie, and last but not least, a super cute stocking. And there's the pieces. And I just wanted to leave that open so I can share that with you guys. And then here is the next page. I decided to go with a non-shaker and just went with an embellishment. So here's what I created. It's a snowman cookie, and I just kept it simple so that they can decide, you know, whether they want to add a sentiment or, you know, whatever they want, add a flower on the top of the snowman's hat or whatever they want to do. So I just kept it simple, and that's an embellishment. And then here is my surprise. I also have some extra goodie that I will be including as well, but these are some handmade rosettes in the color green, red, and pink. So I hope they enjoy those. And I will share with you guys what I will also be including. So here is what I will be including as well. I know some of the girls don't like socks, but I have so much of it. I wanted to share. Since this is a Christmas swap, Christmas is all about giving, and I wanted to do a little giving. But I did include some snowman socks. There is this bead pack. I had so much bead I wanted to share. And then I also have a pack of some handmade bows that I created myself. And then in this spot here, let me just take it out. So So I made this super cute spoon. Well, I didn't make the spoon, but the chocolate spoon came like that, but I just decided to drizzle some white chocolate and then sprinkled some red little sugar piece. And then I made a tea bag holder, and it just looks like that. It says winter with a piece of banner. It has a bow. I added 2 teas. There is 2 slots. These are such a cute idea if you wanted to create a gift card holder and hang it on a tree instead of using it as a tea. Wouldn't this be so cute? Put a gift card on one side and then tea or some other goodies on the other, and then hang it on the tree as a gift. Wouldn't that be such a cute idea? But yeah, I will be gifting, everyone will be receiving some tea and the spoon, and here is the socks. But yeah, that is pretty much my project share. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun creating this. I hope the ladies receiving my swap enjoys what I have created, and I think that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.